Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to add or change your site title in Squarespace. Let's get right to it. A quick heads up before we dive in. The steps you might have read about using a structure mode or a website management bar are actually from a much older version of Squarespace. If you are using the modern Squarespace 7.1, the process is completely different and a lot easier. First, open up your Squarespace dashboard and click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview to open the main page editor. Next, simply hover your mouse over the very top of your website and a button will appear that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click that. Once your header settings open up, click directly on your current site title or logo, and then click the little pencil icon to edit it. And finally, just type your new business or brand name right into the site title text field. This is super important for your search engine optimization and browser tabs, even if you plan on uploading an image logo later. Click Save in the top left corner to publish your changes. And that's it. Your new site title is officially live. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.